Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're unboxing and taking a closer look at what just might be the most incredible gifts for a chess lover you'll ever find. We're going to dive into a product that's not only beautiful, but also built to be a legacy.
Let's jump in. The Ultimate Chess Set, a gift to last generations. Black Pawn. Forget flimsy plastic boards and easily lost pieces. The ultimate gift for any chess player is a set that is both beautiful and built to last.
Our featured chess set is meticulously handmade by skilled artisans, ensuring every detail is perfect.
The board is made from high-quality wood, while the pieces are crafted from durable metal, giving them a satisfying weight and feel.
At 15 feet, the board is the perfect size for a serious game, and the pieces, with a king standing at 3/15 tall, are sized to enhance the gaming experience. You will find the link to the product in the description.
Beyond its striking appearance, this set is incredibly practical.
It includes a smart, integrated drawer underneath the board to store the pieces securely and neatly. This clever design ensures no pieces are ever lost and keeps the set organized after every game. Its classic design and sturdy construction mean this isn't just a gift. It's a legacy that can be treasured and passed down for generations.
You will find the link to the product in the description.
What makes this set stand out from others on Amazon? The combination of expert craftsmanship, high-quality materials, and a timeless design. Many other sets are mass-produced with cheaper materials, leading to a less-than-ideal playing experience and a short lifespan. This handmade set offers a unique blend of elegance and durability that simply can't be matched. It's suitable for all ages and skill levels, providing a fun and educational experience for everyone from beginners to experts. This set is more than just a game. It's an investment in a cherished hobby. Please subscribe to the channel. More great gifts for a chess lover. If they already have a great chess set, consider some other high-quality gifts. Premium chess-themed apparel. A high-quality t-shirt with a chess-themed design is a great way for them to show their love for the game. Look for shirts made from soft, ring-spun jersey cotton for maximum comfort.
Unlike many cheaply made shirts, these are ethically sourced and eco-friendly.
The shirts come in a variety of fits, from a classic, loose fit to a slim, feminine cut with a longer body length.
A fun chess mug. A sturdy ceramic mug is perfect for their morning coffee or tea.
Many mugs are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them both practical and durable. Pair it with their favorite blend for a thoughtful and useful gift. Finding the perfect gift for a chess lover is all about choosing items that are high quality, thoughtful, and built to last. Whether it's a stunning handmade chess set or a comfortable t-shirt, these gifts show you truly appreciate their passion for the game.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you find the perfect gift. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and I'll see you in the next one.